This is the level 10. In this level, we'll learn offset surface, field surface and boundary surface. Okay, let's start. Just go to surface and click offset surface and make it offset perimeter and distance. We'll keep this 0 0, click enter. We'll choose the surface. Just click this surface and this surface and this surface. We'll keep only this surface and click this OK. Now I'll choose this solid body, just click and hide this body. Now see, it is hide main body. We'll get this surface, just we'll keep the surface, outer surface, this is the outer surface. Then we'll go to field surface, and click this edge. Now see, it is filled, just click OK. Now see, it is filled. See, again we'll go to boundary surface. This is the boundary surface. Click this boundary and this boundary and this boundary. Sorry, this boundary will closed automatically. Just click OK. Now see, it is created.